Part 2. Vocabulary and Comprehension. Word bank first. Learn new words, their meanings, and correct usage in sentences. You will find all these words in comprehension first. At a time. Its meaning is to state how much of something is involved in one action. Its example: the giant could lift 5 men at a time. Desert. Its meaning: a large area of land, usually in a hot region, where there is almost no water, trees or plants. Its example: the Thar is the biggest desert in India. Envy. Jealousy. Ravi was filled with envy when he saw his friend win the prize. Gallons. A unit of measurement for liquids. We waste gallons of water every day. Grow up. Get bigger, larger, taller, or older. A cub will one day grow up and become a tiger. Hump. A large growth on the camel's back. The camels store fat in their hump to keep themselves alive in a desert. Flat, level, smooth, even. People with flat feet are not usually taken in the army. Mind. Worried by. Do you mind if I put the TV on? Oasis. A place in the desert which has water and greenery. The travelers in a desert search for an oasis to rest. Really. Actually. In fact. He was really sorry for his bad behavior. Round. A circular shape like a ring. Now everyone knows that our earth is round, not flat. Sink. Drop. Go down. Even a small hole in a boat can make it sink in the water. Store. Keep something in a container or any other place to use it when you need it. The hard-working ants store food for winter. Strength. The ability to do things that need a lot of physical or mental efforts. Cycling can help you build up your strength. Reach. Arrive at. You will have to reach the station before 5 o'clock. Ugly. Very unpleasant to look at, not beautiful. The ugly duckling changed into a beautiful swan. Till. Up to the time. Until. They had to wait till Monday to talk to the principal. Without. Something you do not have or use. The villagers were without electricity for days after the flood. Exercise A. Choose the right word for the given words. 1. Arrive at. Options are A. At a time, B. Till, C. Reach. Can you guess which option will be correct? Yes, it is C option. So tick on C. Reach. 2. Drop, go down. Options are A. Sink, B. Deep, C. Flat. Can you guess which option will be correct? Yes, it is A option. So tick on A. Sink. 3. Actually. Options are A. Mostly, B. Really, C. Round. Can you guess which option will be correct? Yes, it is B. So tick on B. Really. 4. Not easy. Options are A. Flat, B. Sand, C. Difficult. Can you guess which option will be correct? Yes, it is C. Difficult. Not easy means difficult. 5. To keep something for future use. Options are A. Separate, B. Store, C. Compartment. Can you guess which option will be correct? Yes, it is B. Store. To keep something for future use means store. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Options are reach, round, separate, at a time. 1. The teacher asked us to speak one. Children, write here. At a time. The teacher asked us to speak one at a time. 2. All the dogs ran. Fill here. Round and round the park, barking loudly. Let's repeat. All the dogs ran round and round the park, barking loudly. 3. There were separate. Fill here. Separate rooms for every school at the 5-day science camp. Let's repeat it. There were separate rooms for every school at the 5-day science camp. 4. He could not. Fill here. Reach the shelf as he was too short. Let's repeat it. He could not reach the shelf as he was too short.